Hello and welcome sa ating market recap. Today our market gap up yet again, closing at the year high. This is the year high close, not the year high, but ito yung pinakamataas na close for this year and likely. So ito na yung line natin dito that we are seeing. So almost there to challenge this 7,400. Which is what we want to see. So ito na nga, our value turnover is also above average. So we can see we have a very strong move. We do have a bearish divergence. However, that doesn't really matter for now as we can see the market is going up. So who made the market move today? We have on our winners and losers tab, we have MJC, Diz, Bcor, I don't really see anything for the meantime. OPMB, RCB up by 8.59. So I have drawn this one kanina. This looks like an inverse head and shoulders. We have shoulder, neck, shoulder, head, another shoulder here. So itong move na to from here June 28, 2021, gap up. Selling pattern candle, did a retest of that, went back to fill the gap. However, it went farther dito sa average price ng move na to. And so ito na ulit, we have bulls that came in, then we have a swing here, then we finally formed this pattern and we just broke from the neckline, broke out from the neckline here, somewhere here like that. Even if isama natin yung pivot level dito. So any retest guys could be a good buying opportunity for a shot higher. We have a target here on this level and also another one here to negate this selling candle. So I will be doing this one na nga para on our next session ay we have a long position somewhere there up to target there, and ideally this would be the stop loss point below here. So these are initial TP1 and TP2 for RCB. So that's it, we saved this one and balikan natin on the next days. We have RLC. We see RLC here, that trading range bound here on this box we featured before, broke out from that and kind of retested the pivot level. We have a pivot area here. Yesterday, on the last 3 days ay napakalakas ng galaw niya. Finally breaking out of this range. So ito yung highest close niya since. So we have entered this trading range here. We have a minor swing lang naman dito. Likely targeting this one. So we have arrow here. We have another arrow here and finally we can target that one. On the next days for RLC, if we are to enter a long position, medyo late na tayong i-update na lang natin. Sabi natin dito dati. Well, pwede naman i-update natin. We could enter on any retest here. We have a box here, something like this. For a long position, ideally, kahit dito man lang muna. For a target higher, wide stop, and we have a for a 2.37. So pwede pang bababaan natin yan kung we are gonna be buying at the average price of this move. So this is the ideal play as pag nabasag tong swing na to, also our pivot level ay medyo papangit. So any retest kahit pababa pa yan dito would be ideal. So yan na lang gawin natin on this average price of this move. And balikan natin kung mangyayari ito over the next days. Okay, we have MAC here that sabi natin I will target this swing as it's been range bound on this level. So do watch out. Although this is a highest close since February, we can still rotate lower as that has been the move ever since. So we can remove this box. Ay, hindi. Wag na. Hindi natin tanggalin. As this might be a support. So kung sakali mang mauntog dito banda, this would be the support level ideally for Mac. Wala man tayong call dito. However, we can have a call later on pag nag-breakout na dito. So we have APL. We have this new low that is forming a pattern, buying pattern. So we can have a call here. This is the pattern na hinahanap natin. Something like that. And so we have a long position. We have a stop loss here. On this break, we have the target 50 average. So that is 5% to up to 30% na trade. Pwede yan. So balikan natin yan later on. So ito guys, nilagay ko lang sa gitna niyan kasi we can retest this middle point here. And that would be a good buying opportunity para mas less risk. And pwede mong babaan pa yung risk mo dyan. And this target here. So yan, APL, balikan natin over the next days. We have Bloom continuing the move. We have a trading here. So ito, malakas-lakas targeting this level. It could be a quick upshot din, pabalik dito sa 9 pesos. Buying call, not yet for Bloom. Dito dapat kung buying call kay Bloom. Nandito pa yung sa baba up to dito sa target na to. So let's wait for an opportunity there. We have BSC. We have this level na so ito, pwede naman to. Tanggalan na natin to. Itong drawing natin, i-update natin. So we are seeing here that it has been supporting kahit papano on this level. So we can place a buy, call, trial lang. Something like this. So medyo bahabaan natin yung stop natin. For a target up to here, this level. Stop loss here, that is 36 to 9%. So kahit pa isama mo yung FA, although mas maganda sana kung dito lang na hindi na mababasag tong level na to ni BSC as medyo papangit kapag nabasag pa to. So that is it for BSC. We have this level and balikan na rin pag nangyayari on the next days para may accountability tayo na nakalagay dito for our calls. We have PRIM, nothing much to see here. We have ABS. We have ABS, CBN. So yun, we have this down move from breaking down here, targeting this 5 watt levels. And we didn't get that. We are being magneted by this 5 watt and we already tested this one. So that is good to see. We returned from a trading range here. But that if this is the dip for this stock, we have an up move here. This is the dip. Ideally, you would trade it like so. So this one and place a stop here. So our target for the near term would be somewhere here. Or upon breaking out dito would be we can get more upside. So ito pag nag-consolidate pa dito, that would be good. So we can target more. We have this high, big high here. We have another one, trading range bound here. So yun na guys. Update na lang natin on the next days for ABS and ICT. Yun na, gapping up din from this level. It held itong level na to. So if you want to trade ICT, how? Not yet. Wag muna dito. Hanap na lang muna tayo ng iba. We have LCB and FPI. Those for our top gainers. On our top losers, we have GHI, BKR, trading range bound tayo dito. We have PAH, 7, LR, already dead. We have a gap here for LR. So kung may gap man, di ka bibili agad sa gap Hintayin mo muna kung mag-support. Hindi yung bibili ka agad na dito, bumili agad sa gap. Yan, sell down pa ulit. So, hindi pa yan yung pag may gap up. May gap na ika-close. Hindi ka muna bibili agad sa gap. So, let's move on. We have MED, APVI, Altus. So, itong si Altus, sabi nga natin dito, inside this range. So let's see this one, target this move kapag as long as we are above this level. We have Costco, sabi natin ay doing range bound moves, range, and so here we do have a slight breakout here. This is a retest. If this is a retest or kung gusto mo na bumili agad dyan, Then pa lang, this is the play there. We have this one, our pivot level that should hold. Otherwise, we'll see this one do some more range bound type of trades. And so we move on to CHI, FNI to go AP. We have AP here. Our buy call has been here. For our target, we have not yet set a target for this move. Likely here, we have an untested pivot here. Maybe that is why there is the arrow banda dyan. So that is it for AP for the meantime. Lotto, MWC, DWC is still alive dito. So hindi siya nag-close totally sa low na to. So yan, buhay pa yan. And SSP making another low. So kaya mo na yan sa SSP. On to our most active stocks. We have ICT. We have AEV. That is up also. And ito yung trade natin dito. Wala pang malinaw. It's doing kind of a pa-constricting, parang flag. Moving on to SMPH. So save natin to. Yan na nga ang swing natin dito. And so, ano ba ang play dito kay SMPH kung gusto mong i-trade? Pwede tayong buy on breakout dito. And placing a stop. Medyo malayo yung stop pa. Ilang percent ba? That would be 8%. Pwede din pag nag-breakout na lang dito, saka pa lang bibili. Para mas maganda yung galaw. So ito, that is the next challenge for SM here. As we can see na nauntog dito konti. However, likely we are poised to challenge, to retest that. And hopefully this time mag-breakout na. We have GT Cap. This one also looks like an inverse head and shoulders. So we have this box here, trading range, and we said, ito, this level should be holding. We held from that level, so that is good to see. Ito, kita. We have our line here, although lumampas, but that is also good pa naman. So yun na nga, we are seeing this up move. Pabalik to challenge this downtrending line. Hopefully we'll break out from that. Ideally dito na lang. I don't like the downtrend line, to be honest. For GT Cap, we have all day up 4%. Congratulations. Next. Medyo mababa yung volume niya from average from the last kesa sa last trading days natin. So we can see that the volume has kind of dwindled down. But still, very strong. We have your average price here and we close above at the average price. Looks like we have a good shot. Ito, we can mark this one as dito pa yung day low natin eh. This is our day low. So we can see that our range has been called farther. Kind of like this one. This could be a sideways pattern as pwede mag-breakdown yan pababa. However, upon closing sa average price, pag umangat pa yan dyan, that would mean we would be going up for all day. Could we make a trade call here? Pwede lang naman. Ideally here and placing the stop below 1%, 8%, 10%, targeting this average price up to here 1 pesos for all day. Balikan natin yan kung mangyayari. And so let's move on. AC finally breaking out from the trading range dito. You can see this here. So any retest here could be a good shot of buying of could be a good buying opportunity for AC. we can see this one challenge this 900 pesos. Above that would be more, plenty upside. We have BDO finally breaking out from a 4 to 5 day range here, and that is good to see. So let's see this one pa kung ito na yung dip. We have ASEN. So dito pasikip ng pasikip yung kay ASEN. Kung aangat to, then that would be massive. Kung babagsak, that would be dangerous. We have Ali. So ito malapit-lapit na to. This could mean a breakout sooner or later. We have Ali. Still also assuming the up move. We have BPI. So target reach. We have more upside for BPI. This could be a quick move pabalik sa trading range dito. Banda 100 pesos. So let's view BPI for now. Ito muna view natin. We have a trading range for BPI here. So ito yung tinitingnan natin na trading range ni BPI, and so likely we are gonna see this one. Since andito na tayo, pumasok tayo dito sa balik na natin konti. Ang imsog natin yan. When we broke down from this trading range here, bumalik tayo, and we are seeing the edge of this trading range supporting. So we are seeing a range bound move here. Likely we are gonna see 100 pesos nga sabi ko on the last days. We are gonna see 100 pesos before we see another type of those moves as yun na yung ginagawa niya since 2018. Breaking out from that would be good. We have a shot up of challenging this all-time high. That is it for BPI. So let's move on. For AP, we are done with API. We have Glow, still good. Sabi nga natin dito. We have the day candle there. So buying call, buy on breakout be ideal. Pwede lang buy now and then place a stop. Medyo malayo-layo yung stop mo dapat dito. We have another one, Converge, also up. Nag-breakout from the trading range. May resistance, 50 moving average though. So this one, as we are trading below the trends, short term and medium term, and be careful na lang. Monde, also still there, pasikip ng pasikip ang ating trading range. Likely we are gonna trade above with this last two moves dito. We are gonna see 17 pesos in the next days. We have Wilcon here, retested this area and continuing the up move. We have Ace and XOR. If this is another swing, potential swing, then this could be stop loss ka na lang below this 50 average. We have this box though na sabi natin ay ideally would be a buying area, and so tanggalin na natin, ulitin na yan. Yan yung arrow for the meantime. We have a trading range though here. So likely kung ganyan yung magiging galaw, we might see this one pabalik dito. That is still possible. We have TBGI na hindi ko na-mention kahapon, nakalimutan kong i-mention. So we have this sell of kahapon and we bounce back. Support natin ang 50 average. Also we have the pivot levels here. So ito, kung magko-consolidate pa yan dito, that would be good to take out this downtrending line. We have Lusutan Group. From here, nasabi natin that bull candle to. Yan na nga, patuloy ang pagka-bullish na. Pwede pa bang pumasok dito? Pwede pa lang naman. And we can place a buy call. Lagi naman natin sinasabi tong buy call dito kay Lusutan Group. We can place your stop below this one, this candle. That would be 8% from the current price. Ideal target, this pivot level. So that would be a 23% up move. Ayala Land Holdings. So ito guys, this could be another swing. Ito support natin dito. Parang nag-support nga. So support ay support. Could we see a breakout soon? So ito medyo na weak shakeout yung mga weak hands dito. We could have another buy on breakout here. I would say ulitin ko yung buy call ko dati. Although hindi pa naman na-stop out yun. Sabi ko stop below here 9% to target the gap area of 31%. So ako hindi ko pa yan trade. I will be waiting for further kung mag-break out siya dito. That is it for our charting session today. See you again guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace out.